You turned the fucking traction control off. Damn it.
Go.
I can't move the wheel. I can't move the wheel. Oh, I can't. Ah.
There.
Oh, we can't hit Jonathan's car. Get out. Get out.
Will, what are you doing? God, look at this hose, man. What is this thing? No.
Hose be lying.
Okay, so right now Will is getting the interior prepped for an interior coating. So we're vacuuming, we're wiping down the seats, and once we're done, we'll be coating the entire thing.
Alexa, play E-I-E-I-O.
Oh my god, bro, no.
By Sesame Street in Ernie.
Dude, this is the song.
On Amazon Music.
You ready for this? This is how we do shit in EVS. I'm gonna put my headphones on so I don't have to listen.
Here and a chick, chick there, here a chick, there a chick, everywhere a chick, chick.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Unboxing. You know how it's authentic? When I pull this, whoa, bro.
I feel like someone just copied that though.
Probably. We have a little booklet, microfiber, user manual.
Do you need that one?
Maybe, who knows? And then the product itself.
So what we're doing is all the white that you guys see in the car, like the seats of course, and the dash area, as well as the doors up here, we're gonna be coating it. That way this stays looking white as long as possible. As you can see, there's some finger smudges around this white here, so we need to clean that up before we get started with the coating. Brushes out, you know it's serious now.
Shut up.
So the Clearbra is completely done on the red Model S. We're actually now working on installing a dash cam for it, as well as a integrated radar for it. It does more than your typical windshield mounted radars. Those just tell you that something is in the area, whereas these can do a little bit more than that. Dual antenna front and rear protection. Laser shifters provide speed of light protection. True stealth operation lets you drive 100% undetected. Where do you want me to put it?
I like that question.
So you guys may remember not too long ago we did a quick detail on the Model X, and you may remember there's this green spill on the back. You see that spill right there? Will was being a little baby the other day and couldn't do it because he didn't have his vacuum cleaner. So this is a continuation of the detailing. We're just gonna take care of this and then we'll be done. Oh, that's fancy.
So it's using hot water.
That is crazy. This is probably the best thing you ever own.
Am I blowing your mind with this?
Vacuum though, that was pretty freaking cool. What is the most disgusting thing you ever had to clean out of an interior?
This. Work on exotics, we don't have this kind of mess.
Have you ever cleaned up someone's poop before?
No.
Dog poop?
No.
Throw up?
No.
You know how to do throw up?
Shit, I'm special. It's easy to clean.
It looks a lot better. Wow, Will.
Now you just gotta let it dry.
Oh, I got one for you, Dustin. If I could transport you back into the past to any pivotal world event, which one would you pick? Deep Talks with EVS Motors.
Just like to witness?
To witness, to be like, I was there.
That's a good one too.
Getting it today.
You're getting them because I like history.
Oh, I didn't even think about that. I don't give a what you like, to be honest with you.
I know.
Come on, Dustin, we ain't got all day.
feel like
This
the-
isn't really happening, Dustin. You don't think that
The
hard.
fire of the Library of Alexandria. What? Witnessing all that knowledge being lost.
I think if I could be transported back to any time, I want to be there when Frodo throws the ring into Mount Doom. Third age of Middle Earth.
So.
Moment of truth. So we are done coating the Model X as you guys saw earlier. So now it's time for me to do the water beading test. This is one of the biggest perks of having your interior coated. Your seats can now be water, or anything that you coat inside will bead water, so stains, spills, things like that won't really affect it so much. So what I'm doing is I'm pouring on the seat. So if everything goes according to plan, when I pour this water on the seat, it should just slide off. That's pretty freaking cool. It doesn't smear, it just kind of collects up to a little perfect circle. See how it just slides off? Perfect, so everything's working well. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button and join the EVS crew. I haven't done that in a while. If we want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Click up here for a video recommended just for you, down here for our newest video, and up here to subscribe. I will see you guys next time.